Welcome to the guide to getting started with log analysis on IQ-LECT. In this video, we will see how to extract data from a log file. We will create a new app from scratch using the custom log feature and begin streaming the log data into the app for analysis. Let's begin creating the app. Provide an app name followed by the description of the app. We will gather data from MySQL log, so let's name it that. Next, let's create a stream. This is a dummy stream that is required for creating an app. If you happen to create an app for different data sources, you may need to use an actual stream here. Provide the attribute details and the data types. Finally, click Done to complete the app creation. You will find that this app is listed in the My Apps tab from the UI. Let's access the server where we have set up the e-commerce website and the MySQL application. We can see that the log files for MySQL are all in their default location. We need to make a note of this, and let's test the mysql.log file. Looks like the log is being appended whenever any event takes place. Now, it's time to check the log and use a regular expression. Copy an entry from the log and let's use the online tool against the regex. Since our regular expression matches the log entry, now it's time to use these on the app. Head over to the Custom Log section on the left hand of the menu. Provide the file path ending with the file name of the log file. Next, enter the sample log that we had copied earlier. When you reach the delimiter section, select the option called Write Regex and enter the regular expression for the log entry. This will generate a mapping field. Map each of the log sections with an attribute. This process will create a new stream with the mentioned attributes. Enable text search for any of the attributes if you want. Then, provide an output stream name. Ensure that you are using IQ-LECT agent and save. This has created a new stream. Now, head over to the App Overview page and copy the curl command. Run it on the same server where MySQL is installed. From now on, whenever any query or activity is entered in the MySQL log, IQ-LECT will begin capturing the data.
Click the symbol on the top right section of the chart to begin the analysis. The drill-down section shows the relationship between different data streams. Here the order is linked with e-commerce and the checkout order data. These relationships are implicitly defined by the system while creating an app. Let's look at the other option called Drill Through and select that. These relations are explicitly defined, and we can see that the order data is related to stats data. Stats here implies the visitor statistics. Once we right-click and make Stats as the root, the system shows the relationship between transaction data. Let's go through the transaction data, and we can see that the transaction has stopped at the point where orders have dropped. If we view the Oracle data chart, we can see that the child charts of CPU usage and net socket usage show increase in activities. However, the Oracle DB performance is normal. Now, let's head back to transaction data and check the anomaly chart. There is a sudden spike showing something is wrong. For further drill down, let's head back to the Oracle data and look into the net socket information. The net socket usage has definitely shot up. This information is related to the bandwidth service usage, and if we make that the root, we can see that the bandwidth is fully utilized. This concludes the example of the feature. However, iQLect app also comes with standard notifications that can be customized.